Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce email spam with Mailchimp, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce email spam with Mailchimp, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Audience tab on the dashboard. Select the audience you want to manage. Click on Settings in the submenu to access your audience settings. Scroll down to find the Forms and Response Emails section. Click on Form Builder to customize your sign-up form. Ensure that your sign-up form is simple and straightforward. Remove any unnecessary fields that may confuse users. Include a double opt-in strategy to confirm subscriptions. Next, go to Audience Dashboard to view engagement metrics. Identify patterns that may indicate spam issues. Consider segmenting your audience based on engagement levels. This can help improve open rates and reduce spam complaints. This builds trust and gives recipients control over their subscriptions. Finally, review your email content for relevance and quality. High-quality content encourages engagement and reduces spam complaints. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce email spam in Mailchimp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.